Hey guys, we're live at 9:45 and we're doing a 7-winner battle here. Everybody who places first in this wins. I'm going to copy the list of 7. I'm going to paste it in there. 1 through 7, as you can see there. We're going 7 rounds. Here we go. Good luck, everybody, as we get down to it. Ryan takes round 1. Miguel 2. Jimmy 3. Jason takes round 4. Dennis round 5. Fred on top in round 6. Pretty balanced affair here. And our last winner is Ryan again. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. GNPZBT. Ryan, Fred, Dennis, Jason, Jimmy, Miguel, and Ryan again. Congratulations, guys. I'm done at 9:46 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to our winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.